And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 32. Let us solve a couple of problems that you might have with arrows if you can't see them. There's usually three main problems. Number one is you don't have a color for your stroke and it's going to vanish. Let me open the stroke menu and you can see if there is no stroke color, the arrowheads are also grayed out. So make sure that you add a color right here under the stroke swatch and then you can pick one. Default is only 1 point, so it might be very small. And that's the second problem. Check your weight. If it's set to 0, the arrowheads are also grayed out. And this should also make your color vanish. You can set the weight right here in the stroke menu or up there in the top menu. These are the two main issues. And a third issue, we can see right here for this example, we have the align stroke set to center. And you can't even set it to inside and outside because it's just a line. But what if you have a closed shape that you've created with a path? Well, then this is actually possible. Let us do that. Let's say a simple triangle. And you can see it's not grayed out anymore. We can align the stroke now to center, inside and outside. But only for center the arrowheads are available. And the moment you give it an arrowhead, inside and outside will actually be grayed out. But if you pre-select inside and outside instead of center, well then the arrowheads will be grayed out and you will not be able to see them. So these I would say are the three main problems if you can't see your arrow option. Once again, it's the color, the stroke weight and the stroke alignment. Check these three and then you should be able to add arrows or arrowheads to your lines. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.